Well, sadly, I am withdrawing from the Planter HGTV 10 Herb Grow contest this year. I had a complete knee replacement in late February, just in time for the grow off to start. Oh, I planted butterfly peas, pineapple, sage, sweet basil, thyme, chiso red, calendula mix, thyme, parsley, lemon balm, chives, leeks, oregano, echinacea, burdock, moringa, coriander, rosemary, and some mystery herbs. But I wasn't able to keep up, and all of the things over there did not germinate. I didn't put a heating pad here in Connecticut 6B, but I will keep growing. So we are growing indoors, not for any playoff, just because we want to grow things. These are up-potted from the Arrow Garden. We have big Jim peppers, lipstick peppers, Georgia candy roaster squash. From Mike's Chaotic Gardening, there is fish pepper, serrano peppers in the back. In the front, we have Scotch bonnet peppers, 3 of those. We have pumpkin spice peppers, and we have celery from the fridge, spider plant, snake plant, and dumb cane. Why? Because we just want to garden on the east side to the west side, from the west side to the east side, just growing family food wherever we can. Peace, love, and blessings. Newsflash from the Arizona 9B garden. My sister Joanne Stevens dropped seeds for chocolate bell peppers and squash today. The orchids are in bloom, and she also harvested carrots, beets, onions, rosemary, celery, and a Meyer lemon for dinner tonight. A delicious seasoned chicken, garden to table, and a good time was had by all. She's in Arizona. I'm in Connecticut. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you like our comment. Thanks for watching.